Hello students, today I am going to teach about portal system. So portal system means it starts with capillaries and ends with capillaries. So that system is called portal system, or that circulation is called portal circulation. So it start with capillaries and ends with capillaries. So that system is called portal system. So here normally in normal circulation what will happen? First of all, heart can pump the blood to different parts of the body. Okay, so from the heart, the arteries, artery collect the blood from the heart, it supply the blood to different parts of the body. So the arteries, they reach to different body parts, they supply the blood. So in body parts what will happen? It divides into many branches, they are called capillaries. They forms the capillaries. Then after that these capillaries join to form veins. So vein again vein collect the blood from the body parts. Then this blood circulate to the heart. So this is actually normal circulation. So this is called normal circulation. So but in portal system, what will happen in the portal system? Here heart is a pumping organ. From the heart, arteries, they collect the blood. Or from the heart, they collect the blood and transfer to the or supply to the different parts of the body. So here arteries supply the blood to the body parts, circulate the blood to the different body parts. Next, in body parts it divides into many capillaries. So here in the capillaries, these capillaries join to form veins. To form veins. So here veins are formed. These veins, they connected or they opens into another organ. So from here, in organ, again it divides into many capillaries. It divides into this vein, again divides into many capillaries. Then these capillaries join to form vein. So this vein is opens into the, again this vein connected to the heart. So here this circulation is called portal circulation. So here this circulation is called portal circulation. So which means here what will happen here? First of all, artery, they supply the blood to different body parts. So what will happen in the body parts? It divides into many branches to form capillaries. So these capillaries join to form vein. So these veins connected to the heart, veins circulate the blood to the heart. But here this vein supply the blood to the another body organ. So here this vein is called portal vein. So this vein is called portal vein. This system is called portal system. So here this vein, it start with capillaries. In body parts it start with capillaries and ends with capillaries. So this system is called portal system. So this circulation is called portal circulation. So in human being, mainly hepatoportal system is very well developed. Hepatoportal system is very well developed in mammals as well as man and mammals also. So hepatoportal system means here. So here organ, here which organ? Liver. It connects the liver. So that's why this portal system is called hepatoportal system. So here hepato means liver. So normally here in our digestive system, for example, this is a digestive system. Different parts are present in our digestive system. Stomach, small intestine, stomach and small intestine, large intestine, different parts are there. Okay, next here liver is present. Okay, so what will happen here, the from the heart, the artery circulate the blood to the stomach, intestine, okay, and large intestine, different parts of the digestive tract. Next, these capillaries, they join to form veins. These are all joined to form vein. This vein opens into the liver. This vein connected to liver. In liver again divides into many branches. These branches join to form again vein. So here, so this vein is called hepatic portal vein. So hepatic portal vein. So this hepatic portal vein connects this is digestive system or gastrointestinal tract and liver. It connects the gastrointestinal tract and liver. Okay, so that's why this system is called hepatic or hepatoportal system. Hepatoportal system. So what is the importance of here hepatoportal system? So normally through the heart, here through the heart, the oxygenated blood supplied to the digestive tract. Okay, stomach and intestine. So what will happen in the stomach and intestine? The digestion processes takes place. So as what will happen here during digestion processes takes place. So as a result, the simple food materials are formed. Digested food. The food is digested in the digestive system. So after that, the digested food materials, all digested food materials like glucose, amino acids, fats, okay, fatty acids, okay, these are all digested food materials. First they absorbed into this circulation, portal circulation. So firstly they absorbed into the portal circulation through the portal vein, this hepatoportal vein. The food first, that digested food material, they reach to liver. Okay, so what will happen in the liver? In the liver, you know, we know very well about liver perform various functions. So if excess amount of energy is present in our body, excess amount of glucose is present in our body, that converted into glycogen. Okay, if excess amount of proteins are present, if excess amount of amino acids are present, that amino acids converted into proteins. And also in the liver produce bile juice helps for the emulsification of fats. One more, detoxificant organ, it acts as a detoxificant organ. So like this, so all the whatever food is digested in our digestive system, first of all, that all digested food material, they reach to liver. In the liver, different process takes place. After that blood flows into the hepatic vein. This is hepatic vein. Through the hepatic vein, the blood circulates to the heart. So this is the hepatic portal system. So hepatic portal system connects the digestive system and liver. So that's why this system is called hepatic portal system, or this circulation is called hepatoportal circulation. Next, one more portal system is also present in our body. So that is hypophyseal portal system. Hypophyseal portal system. So we will learn later in endocrine system. So it belongs to endocrine system. So we will learn later about this hypophyseal portal system. Next, one more portal system is also present in animals, that is renal portal system. Renal portal system is absent in mammals. Humans also renal portal system is absent, but lower vertebrates like amphibians and fishes and amphibians, the renal portal system is very well developed. Here renal means kidney. So here it connects the kidney. So that's why this portal system is called renal portal system. So renal portal system is present in fishes and amphibians, but mammals or in human being it is absent, but in human hepatoportal system is very well developed. Okay, so this is about portal system. Next, coronary circulation. So coronary circulation means the circulation is takes place in between heart and heart. Okay, it takes place between heart and heart, which means here heart is made up of 3 layers. Already we learned in the structure. The wall of the heart made up of 3 layers: epicardium, myocardium and endocardium. So here myocardium made up of cardiac muscles. Cardiac muscles. So these cardiac muscles, they shows the continuous contraction and relaxation. So during contraction and relaxation, it need a lot of energy. So it need lot of ATP. So it need, the heart is also need continuous supply of blood. So the coronary arteries, two coronary arteries are present, left and right. Two coronary arteries, they supply blood to the heart muscles. Okay, heart muscles. Next, 4 coronary CO. Here, coronary veins. So 4 coronary veins, they collect the blood from heart muscles. Collect blood. They collect the blood from heart muscles. These coronary veins opens into coronary sinus. Coronary sinus. This coronary sinus opens into the right atria. This coronary sinus opens into the right atria. So coronary sinus collects the blood, deoxygenated blood from wall of the heart. So here one more point. Here the opening of the coronary sinus has a valve. That valve is called the Sebaceous valve. So this circulation is called coronary circulation. So through the coronary circulation, the blood circulate to the wall of heart.